talk about potato and spine gourd paste or taste, or bhat Kerala and aloo ka paste, which is very tasty. The main ingredients you need is onion, chop 2 chilies and chop 2 spine gourd, and you need coriander leaves and tomato you need. First of all, you need to boil the tomato and spine gourd. So keep it to the pressure cooker and give a little bit of salt so that it get boils with pressure, and you should close it very nicely. Keep the pressure for around 3 or 4 times or around 6 times to cook the spine gourd and potato, because they take time to get cooked and to be boiled nicely. So you should do it for around 5 to 6 times so that potato becomes cooked and nicely. After boiling with pressure cooker, you will see the potato is being cooked and spine gourd is being cooked. Now the thing is, you also need a garlic paste. Only garlic, nothing at all, only garlic. Just smash the garlic and take it. I forgot to mention it before. And you can see here potato is boiled and spine gourd is boiled. Now we have to mix everything to get the paste. Actually, this is my recipe. Actually, this is my home's recipe. We used to eat. It's of best recipe. Now just put a little tablespoon of oil in it, and after that put or sprinkle amount of salt how much you need for getting that recipe. Sprinkle some salt, and just you have to do now is you have to mix everything. You have to mix everything in the items you see. You have to mix everything and make it like a mess. You have to do mash everything. You have to nicely mash everything so that it get cooked nicely, and you can eat it with dinner or in lunch. It's a veg recipe. You will love it when you eat that recipe. But before that, I'm going to tell you is that you should take out every seed, because while eating you will feel crunchiness in your mouth if you don't throw away the spine gourd seed. Now you have to do is mix everything and make it as a mash. It's like spine gourd and potato mash, and it's very tasty. You will love it while eating. After smashing it with your hand, you will find like this. It's done. It looks good, and it's a little bit spicy, but it's Indian food. In my hometown, we actually eat this in veg. It's a veg recipe, and it's nice and it's tasty. It's very tasty. You should try it. You should try making at home. And also, if you're new to my channel, just subscribe, comment, like and share. So that's all for today, folks. Hope see you next time, and do comment. Please do comment and please do subscribe. This is my recipe. Thanks for watching. Well, we will see you next time in the next video that I will be creating. So bye bye, tata.